3 days ago when we got these cockatiels in. Now I'm going to weigh them. Look at his little belly. Let's have a look at your feet. Come here. What's wrong with your feet? That's better. Oops. Okay, he weighs in at 100 grams. Stay there. That's a cinnamon one. This is the smaller one, the one I took out of the other nest. See his little belly? Put him in there. Right, we're up to 200 grams for 2. What else have we got? Oh, we've got a pure white. Beautiful pure white. Check his wings. Yes, lovely. In you go. That's 300 grams.
Right, where's the kitchen scales?
No, it's alright, dear. I'm just weighing some envelopes just to make sure the postage is right. Okay. This is the little baby one. Little baby one now. Right, he's in there, and the last one comes in. Woo! There he goes.
Come on.
What?
I'll make a pie with that lot. I suppose that's for cooking.
Okay.
Are you going to sterilise it?
Okay, Carol.